These tools have quickly gained popularity due to their ability to make leveling and alignment tasks more accurate and efficient. There are many products available to choose selling laser level line tools, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best-selling laser level line tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lasco LG 3D Laser Level Self-Leveling. The Lasco LG 3D Laser Level is an exceptional tool for construction and picture hanging. With its 3x360 green beam cross line, it makes precise leveling and alignment effortless. The device comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that last up to 20 hours, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions. The magnetic liftable stand is also included, providing easy setup and portability. The device's green beam technology is also impressive, providing better visibility than traditional red lasers. Overall, the Lasco LG 3D Laser Level is an excellent investment for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient laser level. Number 2. Hupar Crossline Laser. The Hupar Crossline Laser is a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional who wants to get the job done right the first time. With its self-leveling green beam, this laser level provides bright and highly visible lines that are easy to see even in bright daylight conditions. The 360 magnetic pivoting base allows you to easily adjust the laser level to any angle, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, from hanging shelves and cabinets to installing tile and flooring. With a range of up to 100 feet, this laser level is both accurate and reliable, and has received high praise from customers who appreciate its ease of use, versatility, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Hupar Crossline Laser is a valuable addition to any toolbox. Number 3. Modevra Laser Level. The Modevra 100FT Laser Level Self-Leveling Green Crossline is an exceptional product that delivers accurate and efficient results every time. With 4 brightness adjustments and an IP54 waterproof rating, this laser level is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Its manual self-leveling mode ensures accuracy and precision, while its battery-carrying bag makes it convenient to transport and use on the go. Its green crossline is highly visible, even in bright sunlight, and the 4 brightness adjustments make it adaptable to any lighting situation. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Modevra 100FT Laser Level is an excellent investment that will help you achieve outstanding results. Number 4. Laser Level. The IKEVOOK Laser Level is a powerful and reliable tool for construction and DIY projects. With 12 green lasers and self-leveling technology, this tool is perfect for hanging pictures, installing cabinets, and more. The 3x360 Crossline Laser provides a 65 FT vertical and horizontal line, making it easy to ensure that everything is level and straight. The level tool is also equipped with a 5in200 mAh rechargeable battery, making it perfect for use on the go. It's also received accolades from industry professionals for its durability and versatility. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the IKEVOOK Laser Level is a must-have tool for any project. Number 5. Praxizo Laser Level Self-Leveling. The Praxizo Laser Level Self-Leveling is an excellent tool for construction, floor tile, and home renovation. With an impressive range of 100 feet, this rechargeable crossline laser is highly accurate and precise. The green line leveler tool is easy to use and comes with a magnetic pivoting base that can be attached to any metal surface. The target plate and portable bag make it convenient to carry around and use on the go. It has received high ratings for its accuracy, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this laser leveler tool is a must-have for all your leveling needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.